Unlock the secret to Thai word order, a fun journey into speaking Thai like a local. Hey there, everyone! I'm Cody, and today I'm going to be your personal guide on this incredible journey to speaking Thai like a true local. Have you ever noticed how Thai language has this beautiful musical quality to it? That flowing, melodic sound that makes it so distinct? Or maybe you've had that frustrating experience of knowing all the right Thai words but still getting confused looks when you try to speak? I know I certainly did when I first arrived in Thailand. Breaking news, Thai word order secrets revealed. What most language courses don't tell you is that word order is the hidden key to unlocking true communication in Thai. Despite how different Thai might seem from English, the basic structure follows patterns that you can learn quickly. And once you master these patterns, you'll sound more natural and confident when speaking with Thai people. Let me share something from my own experience. When I first moved to Bangkok, I thought I was prepared. I had spent months studying vocabulary and basic phrases. I could say hello, order food, and ask for directions, at least I thought I could. But something wasn't clicking. Thai people would listen politely, then either look confused or respond in English. One day, I was trying to tell my neighbor that I didn't like durian fruit. I kept saying I don't like durian in Thai, but she looked puzzled. Then her teenage son, who spoke some English, suggested I try saying it differently, putting the durian first, then saying I didn't like it. Suddenly, her face lit up with understanding. That was my first breakthrough moment with Thai word order. I realized that even though I knew the right words, I was arranging them in an English pattern that sounded unnatural to Thai ears. It was like I was playing all the right notes of a song, but in the wrong order, creating discord instead of harmony. Over the next few months, I started paying close attention to how Thai people structured their sentences. I noticed patterns like how they often put the topic first, how they used certain particles to emphasize things, and how pronouns were sometimes repeated or omitted. Little by little, my Thai began to transform. Instead of confused looks, I started getting nods of understanding and real conversations. The most amazing moment came when I was chatting with a street vendor about the weather. After a few minutes of conversation, she stopped and asked me, "How long have you lived in Thailand? Your Thai sounds very natural." I had only been there for 6 months, but learning proper word order had made all the difference. Today, I want to share with you the 6 key patterns that transformed my Thai from textbook robotic to naturally flowing. These aren't complicated grammar rules that you need to memorize, they're practical patterns that Thai people use every day in normal conversation. Once you start implementing these patterns, you'll notice an immediate difference in how people respond to you. What's even better is that these patterns work regardless of your vocabulary level. Even with basic words, arranging them in the Thai way will make you sound more natural and help Thai people understand you more easily. It's like having a magic key that unlocks communication, even with limited vocabulary. So whether you're planning a vacation to Thailand, living there already, or just interested in learning this beautiful language, today's lesson will give you practical tools to sound more like a local. These are the insights I wish someone had shared with me when I first started learning Thai. Are you ready to unlock the secret to natural sounding Thai? Let's dive into these 6 essential word order patterns that will transform your Thai speaking forever. Unlock the secret to Thai word order, a fun journey into speaking Thai like a local. Hey there, everyone! I'm Cody, and today I'm going to be your personal guide on this incredible journey to speaking Thai like a true local. Have you ever wondered why Thai sounds so melodic and flowing? Or maybe you've tried to say something in Thai but the words just didn't come out right? Well, today we're going to crack the code of one of the most fundamental aspects of Thai language, basic word order. Breaking news, Thai sentence structure isn't as complicated as you think. That's right. Despite how different Thai might seem from English, the basic structure follows patterns that you can learn quickly. And once you master these patterns, you'll sound more natural and confident when speaking with Thai people. Let me tell you something from my own experience. When I first started learning Thai, I would translate directly from English. Big mistake. I sounded like a robot reading from a dictionary. But then I learned about Thai word order, and suddenly locals started smiling and nodding instead of looking confused. That's what I want for you today. Let's dive into basic Thai word order. Thai sentences follow some simple but important rules. The good news? The basic structure is similar to English, subject, verb, object. But here's where it gets interesting. 1. Topic first, the Thai way of emphasizing what matters. In Thai, people often start with what they're talking about, the topic, and then comment on it. This is different from English, and it's a game changer for sounding natural. For example, if you don't like spicy food, in English you'd say, I don't eat spicy food. But in Thai, you might say,
อาหารเผ็ดไม่ทาน อาหารเผ็ดไม่ทาน
Notice how spicy food comes first, and the pronoun I, chan, is often dropped in casual speech. Let's try another one. In English, this coffee, I don't want it. In Thai,
กาแฟนี้ไม่ต้องการ กาแฟนี้ไม่ต้องการ
the word nay, pronounced like ni in English, means this and comes after the topic. 2. Using nay/nia to draw attention.
นี้ เนี้ย
Thai speakers use
นี้
or the more informal
เนี้ย
after the topic to emphasize it, like saying this here thing or as for this. In English. For instance, in English, Bangkok traffic, it's really terrible. In Thai,
รถติดนี่มันน่าเบื่อมาก รถติดนี่มันน่าเบื่อมาก
how about another example? In English, when we eat at restaurants, we should leave a tip. In Thai,
เวลาเรากินอาหารนอกบ้านเนี่ยเราควรให้ทิปด้วย เวลาเรากินอาหารนอกบ้านเนี่ยเราควรให้ทิปด้วย
notice how nia comes after the whole first clause about eating at restaurants. 3. The magic word ga.
ก็
This little word ga, pronounced a bit like ga and gawking, is incredibly common in Thai. When placed after the subject, it creates a hypothetical or contextual feeling, making your Thai sound less rigid and more natural. In English, I've never been to Chiang Mai. In Thai,
เชียงใหม่ก็ไม่เคยไป เชียงใหม่ก็ไม่เคยไป
another one. In English, this dish is really delicious at my house too. In Thai,
อาหารจานนี้ที่บ้านก็อร่อยมาก อาหารจานนี้ที่บ้านก็อร่อยมาก
4. Two subjects. No problem. When you have two subjects like my friend and I, Thai puts I first and uses
กับ
for and. In English, my brother and I live in Bangkok. In Thai,
ฉันกับน้องชายอยู่ที่กรุงเทพ ฉันกับน้องชายอยู่ที่กรุงเทพ
one more, Tom and his wife are coming to the party tomorrow. In Thai,
ทอมกับภรรยาจะมางานเลี้ยงพรุ่งนี้ ทอมกับภรรยาจะมางานเลี้ยงพรุ่งนี้
interestingly, some relationships are so common they don't need gap, like
พ่อแม่
for parents,
พี่น้อง
for siblings. 5. Repeating pronouns for emphasis. In Thai, people often repeat he, she, or it after mentioning a person or thing. This makes your Thai sound much more conversational and natural. In English, Sarah went to the beach already. In Thai,
ซาร่าเขาไปชายหาดแล้ว ซาร่าเขาไปชายหาดแล้ว
let's try one more, that dog doesn't like to swim. In Thai,
หมาตัวนั้นมันไม่ชอบว่ายน้ำ หมาตัวนั้นมันไม่ชอบว่ายน้ำ
6. Where to put objects in sentences. In Thai, objects go after the verb or between two-word verbs. This is especially important with compound verbs like bring.
เอา มา
In English, I brought some Thai desserts for everyone. In Thai,
ฉันเอาขนมไทยมาให้ทุกคน ฉันเอาขนมไทยมาให้ทุกคน
one more example. Did you bring your phone? In Thai,
เอาโทรศัพท์มาไหม เอาโทรศัพท์มาไหม
yes, I brought it in Thai.
เอามาครับ เอามาครับ
Let's practice together. Now, I want you all to try a few sentences with me. Think about how you would say these in Thai, using the patterns we've learned. 1. This restaurant, I've been here many times. 2. When it rains, we should stay home. 3. My friend and I are learning Thai together. 4. The movie, it was very interesting. Answer. 1. This restaurant, I've been here many times.
ร้านนี้ผมเคยไปมาหลายรอบแล้ว ร้านนี้ผมเคยไปมาหลายรอบแล้ว
2. When it rains, we should stay home.
ตอนฝนตกชอบอยู่บ้าน ตอนฝนตกชอบอยู่บ้าน
3. My friend and I are learning Thai together.
ฉันกับเพื่อนเรียนภาษาไทยด้วยกัน ฉันกับเพื่อนเรียนภาษาไทยด้วยกัน
4. The movie, it was very interesting.
หนังมันน่าสนใจมาก หนังมันน่าสนใจมาก
Great job, everyone. You're already starting to think like a Thai speaker. Why this matters for your Thai journey. Understanding word order is like having the right keys to unlock a door. Without it, you might get the words right but still sound foreign. With it, even with a limited vocabulary, you'll sound much more natural. Remember, language isn't just about memorizing words, it's about connecting with people. When you speak with proper Thai word order, you're showing respect for the language and culture. And trust me, Thai people really appreciate this effort. Your challenge for this week. I challenge each of you to practice these patterns every day. Start with simple sentences, then build up to more complex ones. Record yourself speaking and listen back. Share your Thai conversations with native speakers and ask for feedback. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Even making small changes to your word order will dramatically improve how natural you sound. Final thoughts, the path to speaking Thai like a local. Learning Thai is a journey, not a destination. Each day you practice, you're getting closer to sounding like a local. The patterns we discussed today are used by Thai people every single day, in every conversation. Think about it this way, would you rather sound like a textbook or like a friend? By mastering Thai word order, you're choosing to sound like a friend. So keep practicing, keep making mistakes, and keep learning. Before you know it, Thai people will be asking you, how long have you lived in Thailand, even if you're just visiting? Thank you all for joining me today. Same time next week for another exciting Thai language adventure. Unlock Thai like a local, the word order secret. Hey there, fellow language enthusiasts. Cody here, and today I want to share something that completely transformed my Thai speaking journey. When I first arrived in Thailand, I thought I was prepared. I had memorized hundreds of vocabulary words and basic phrases. But something wasn't clicking. Despite knowing the right words, locals would give me that polite but confused smile we've all experienced. Breaking news, the secret to natural Thai isn't vocabulary, it's word order, asterisk asterisk. What most language courses don't tell you is that word order is the hidden key to unlocking true communication in Thai. Despite how different Thai might seem from English, the basic structure follows patterns that you can learn quickly. And once you master these patterns, you'll sound natural and confident when speaking with locals. Let me share something from my own experience. One day, I was trying to tell my neighbor I didn't like a particular fruit. I kept saying it the English way, and she looked puzzled. Then her teenage son suggested I try putting the fruit first, then saying I didn't like it. Suddenly, her face lit up with understanding. That was my breakthrough moment. I realized I was arranging perfectly good words in an English pattern that sounded unnatural to Thai ears. It was like playing all the right music notes but in the wrong order, creating discord instead of harmony. In today's lesson, we explored 6 essential patterns that will transform your Thai. First, we learned about putting the topic first, starting with what you're talking about before commenting on it. Second, we discovered special particles that draw attention to the topic, like saying as for this in English. Third, we explored a common word that creates a more natural, conversational flow when placed after the subject. Fourth, we covered how to talk about 2 people doing something together, which follows a different pattern than in English. Fifth, we learned about repeating pronouns after mentioning a person or thing, a simple trick that instantly makes your Thai sound more natural. And finally, we discovered where to place objects in sentences, especially with compound verbs. The beautiful thing is that these patterns work regardless of your vocabulary level. Even with basic words, arranging them the Thai way will make you sound more natural and help locals understand you easily. It's like having a magic key that unlocks communication, even with limited vocabulary. What I love most about teaching these patterns is seeing that moment when it clicks for my students, when suddenly locals are responding with genuine conversation instead of confused looks. I encourage you to practice these patterns every day. Start simple, then build up. Record yourself speaking and listen back. The more you internalize these patterns, the more natural your Thai will become. Remember, it's not about perfection, even small changes to your word order will dramatically improve how you sound. So whether you're planning a vacation to Thailand, living there already, or just fascinated by this beautiful language, mastering word order will help you connect with Thai people in a meaningful way. If you found this helpful and want to sound more like a local, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our weekly lessons. Your support helps us continue creating content that transforms language learners into confident speakers. Next week, we'll dive into another crucial aspect of natural-sounding Thai. Until then, keep practicing, keep making mistakes, and keep learning. Before you know it, Thai people will be asking how long you've lived in Thailand, even if you're just visiting. Thank you for joining me today on this Thai language adventure. See you next time.
Like a local. Be Thai like a local, like a local. Be Thai like a local, like a local. Be Thai like a local, like a local. Be Thai.